welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynette. Today I am coming to you guys from my parents' basement again, and at the time of filming this, we're still not moved to Florida, so hence the surroundings. But I need to clean our downstairs area where we've been staying because it's looking like a pigsty, y'all. So yeah, I'll get into that in a little bit. But before I get into that part of it, I wanted to tell you guys that I'm really excited to be participating in a giveaway over on my Instagram page with about 6 other ladies that are here on YouTube and Instagram. And we're all doing cleaning videos for you guys today, so there's lots of motivation. So be sure and check out all of those channels. I will be sure to have all the information down in my description box, and also you can go over to my Instagram page for the details. Basically, all of us are giving $50 each in Visa gift cards. We are excited to bless one of you guys with this gift. And so yeah, all of that will be linked. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys who all is participating in the giveaway. So, without further ado, let me show you guys what the basement is looking like. So you probably, some of you have seen the tour of my parents' basement, but I'll just kind of show you what it's looking like. It's small, but it's working quite well for us. However, as you all know, if you're kind of camping at, you know, even on vacation and stuff, things kind of tend to build up. So I have some dishes that I actually haven't really washed yet since we're here. So we've been going kind of here and there, and this is just kind of what it's looking like. We were gone last night, and there's some laundry I need to put away, and this is kind of a catch-all space, and the boys usually just kind of get everything out, it seems like, at once. But anyway, this is where they're sleeping during the night, and my youngest child had a little bit of sickness going on last night, so that's also a good idea for me to clean today. Their suitcases we're kind of living out of, a temporary hanging place for clothes, and I need to deal with things here in the bathroom, give it a little clean, and our little bedroom needs to be picked up. And yeah, it's just kind of looking like a little bit of a mess, y'all, but I'll be sure and show you guys how it looks after I'm done cleaning up. I also wanted to tell you guys that Grove Collaborative is running a really good special through at least January. I'm not sure how long it's lasting, but a good while. I know a lot of people like to declutter and clean and just kind of start afresh in the new year, and this would be a really good time to do it because they have a big offer for you guys for new customers especially. You'll get if you spend $20, you'll get the Mrs. Meyer's Trio, which is the hand soap, the dish soap, and the multi-surface spray. And then also you'll receive a Grove Matte Caddy. I think this one might be in gray, or you might have an option of choosing. I'm not even sure. And then also you'll get some of those walnut scrubber sponges. And I thought I'd also tell you that if you spend $39, you'll get the Grove Stoneware Tray as well. I have that one and it's really cute. So I feel like they have a lot of good things going on this month, so if you have not tried it out yet, you might want to do so. And for existing customers, you'll get the Grove Walnut Scrubbers as well, like with your order. And I will have the link down in the description box if you guys want to try it out. did want to mention that if you guys have questions about the basement, I do have a couple other videos that I'll link below if you want more details on this.
Alright guys, I am done. I hope you all enjoyed today's cleaning video. You found it motivating. And be sure and go check out all the other ladies and the giveaway on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully the next video you guys watch will be of us in Florida. So I hope you stick around. In case you don't know who I am Lynette Yoder, and we are moving to Florida. So that is why it's kind of, we're kind of in limbo right now. But I hope you all stick around for our journey, and we're going to be doing a lot of home renovations and DIY organization, just a whole bunch of stuff like that, and I'm really excited to film that for you guys and just take you guys along for that. So I will leave it at that. Thank you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.